You think this is just another twist wig? Wait until you see these colors. Welcome back to the Wig Lab. You might be thinking another twist braided wig, but here is another thing. Life isn't about doing something different every day. Sometimes greatness comes from mastering the same thing with a new version. Today we are starting another masterpiece. First, I twisted these braids by hand, and now it's time to attach them on the wig curve. Guys, can you guess the colors we have here? If you can guess, I'm gonna give you something if you can guess. Let's see how many colors we have here. If you see any color here, just let me know that I need 3 colors. Okay, let me tell you. I know some of you have spotted some colors here. Here we have gold, orange, and coffee brown. So these are the colors we are going to purchase on the wig curve today. Let me tell you about orange. Orange brings creativity and confidence. Have you seen any gold here? Gold symbolizes success and creativity. Alright, some of you wear colors when you don't know their meaning. Yeah, most of you wear these colors and you don't know what the meaning of these colors. So sometimes you have to wear something you know about, okay? So guys, are you spotting any coffee brown here? Just let me know, guys. You wear colors you know nothing about. Alright, coffee brown gives warmth. Alright, coffee brown gives warmth and elegancy. So from today onwards, whenever you put on a color like me, here is yellows and some other colors here, just know the meaning of the colors you're wearing. You people just know only red for Valentine. So when you combine all these colors, it reminds us that you don't have to choose one side of yourself. You don't have to choose one side of yourself. You can be classy, bold, and confident at once. You can be free of them. Classy, bold, confidence at once. And that's how life works too. You may wake up doing the same job, chasing the same dream, or working on the same business like me. But let me tell you a secret. But every day you are adding something new to your story. Every day you are adding something new to your story. Here at the Wig Lab, we don't just make wigs. We build confidence, motivation, leveling up, both men and women. Because here at the Wig Lab, I don't just make only wigs for women. We also do men wigs. So stay with me. This isn't just another wig. It's another chapter, another lesson, another chance to create something beautiful. Let's go to work. Guys, we are done now. Let me put on some hot water to dip this wig. I can't wait to see the final results. Wow, I can't wait.